Hello everyone and welcome to BoloForms tutorials. In this video, I'll show you multi-level approval workflow process in BoloForms add-on. First of all, open a Google form and head over to the approval section of the add-on. Let's say this is the email address for manager number 1. Now you can add email address for manager number 2 as well. Let's first save the settings. Now, once an employee fills the leave request form, the email will be first sent to manager number 1, and upon their approval only, the email will be sent to the manager number 2. And this is how multi-level workflow works. Let's observe this process through an example. Let's say an employee fills the form. As you can see, the employee has filled the form. Now, the manager number 1 will receive an email seeking approval for the form submission. As you can see, we have received the request. Now the manager number 1 can see the form response and approve the request. They can add comments or choose from the default comments and submit. Manager number 1 has approved the request. Now the manager number 2 will receive the request for approval as well. Here's the form response and they can approve the request. And this is how you can use multi-level workflow in BoloForms add-on.